Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSO Prefill in Jotform. This feature allows you to automatically populate form fields with user information from your single sign-on system, making the form filling experience much faster and more convenient for your users. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct username and password ready, as you'll need access to your account to configure these settings. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard where all your created forms are listed. Now, locate the specific form you want to enable SSO Prefill for and click on it. You'll see an Edit Form button associated with that form. Go ahead and click on Edit Form to open the Form Builder interface. This is where you'll be making all the necessary changes to set up the prefill functionality. Once you're in the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Publish tab. This section contains all the settings related to how your form is shared and accessed by users. In the left panel menu, you'll see various publishing options. From this menu, select Prefill. The prefill feature is what allows you to automatically fill in form fields with existing data, and it's essential for streamlining the user experience. Within the prefill options, look for SSO Prefill and choose it from the list. This specific option is designed to integrate with single sign-on systems, pulling user information directly from your SSO provider. You'll now see a toggle switch labeled Enable SSO Prefill. To activate this feature, toggle it to Yes. However, it's important to note that in order to enable SSO Prefill, you must upgrade to Jotform Enterprise. This feature is not available on free or lower tier plans. Since I'm using a free trial account for this demonstration, I'll walk you through what the next steps would look like once you have the Enterprise plan activated. After enabling SSO Prefill, the next step is to map SSO attributes to your form fields. You'll see options to match attributes like first name, email, last name, and other user data from your SSO system. Use the drop-down menus next to each form field to select the corresponding SSO attribute. This mapping ensures that the correct information flows into the right fields when a user logs in via SSO. Once you've finished mapping all the necessary attributes, click Save or Update to apply your settings. This will ensure that your configuration is stored and ready to use. Finally, it's always a good idea to test your setup. Open the form in a new browser tab and log in using your SSO credentials. Check that the fields are automatically pre-filled with the correct information. If everything appears as expected, your SSO Prefill is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully configured SSO Prefill in Jotform, making your forms more efficient and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.